We are the son of soil, so we don't feel any hesitation to work in the field. And আপনারা দেখেন কিভাবে ভুট্টা ছাড়ানো হয় সেটা দেখানোর চেষ্টা করতেছি। একটু ক্যামেরা করি, আমি নিচের দিকে নেই, ভুট্টা কিভাবে ছড়ায় তাতে আমি সাল ছড়াইলাম। এই ভুট্টার সাইজটা অনেক সুন্দর হয়েছে, ভুট্টার সাইজটা অনেক ভালো। Hi, I am back with another video and you are watching that I am standing among a maize field and I hope you are all full fit and fine and I am fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am more happy than the previous day because you are watching that some farmers are working in my field and this maize field is mine and it's a process to taking corn. First of all, we have to cut the upper part of the corn. Then we have to decorticate the corn from the corn plant, and after that we have to pull in bag, and then we have to carry in my house, and we have to sand. But after that, we have to decorticate by machine, and then we will sell it in market. This field is very well, that's why I'm so happy, that another field is orchard than it, worse than it, and I was very sad, upset, but there is no hand to Allah and we have to confess to Allah. That's why I have no words to say about it. And that cultivating corn is more profitable than paddy field. And that's why the farmers are gradually come forward to cultivate the corn, and you are watching and there are lots of corn field. Once upon a time the farmers cultivated paddy in this field, but nowadays they are cultivating corn because what I said and what I stated that this cultivating corn is more profitable than paddy. That's why they are cultivating corn. And after what I try to say that that whenever a farmers comes in a field, it's more hardship. If you don't do it, you can understand the hardship of a farmer. If I do, sometimes I do it and I can realize the hardship of a farmer, and I can understand their sorrows and happiness. And when the crops grow well, they become happy like me, and when the crops don't grow well, they become very sad, and we have to lost all money in which we invested in the field. After all, no today I will talk more than the next video. Allah Hafiz.